At 17 years old, I opened up a newspaper and rolled through the A's and the B's quickly and ended up at the C's. Cabinet comes before construction. I've spent decades in a trade and I love it. I love what I do. I come to work and I love my job. I look forward to the day when I get to do this and not have to earn a living at it, just get to play. I will be doing the same thing for pleasure as I do for work now. So it's really, it's a blessed opportunity. My name's Chad Mack. I make sawdust. That's the general answer. When people ask me what I do is I tell them I make sawdust. I build pulpits for pastors, or if you want to call it a podium. I also build urns for cremation. I make sawdust. Sawdust is the byproduct of what I do, and I do all things that have to do with wood and create sawdust. One of the pastors at our church asked if I would build him a pulpit and ended up building 6 pulpits for our church. My wife is encouraged that. She went to a ladies' event at another church in town and saw a pulpit that she thought was backlit with plexiglass, and that led to the creation of our digital pulpit. It went from the first prototype, which was simplistic in nature. It was essentially the monitor with a wood case around it. No electronics panel, no drink holder, no anything, no bells, no whistles. Ended up selling a couple of those, and then through talking to our senior pastor and a few other pastors, they're like, well, what do we do with our water bottle? What do we do with this? What do we do with that? And that led to the most current version that I'm working on, or building, creating. It's got all the fun toys. AHRH Custom Wood Creations is the letter initials for at his right hand. It's an expression of our faith, at his right hand. And it's Custom Wood Creations because besides the pulpits, I will build just about anything out of wood. Again, it's my joy, it's my passion, it's what I enjoy doing. It's a skill that the Lord has blessed me with, working with my hands. It's wood, so there's cutting, there's sanding, there's routing, there's all of that, which is a skill that I've learned. But the part that really excites me is when a customer comes to me and says, we have these specific needs. I want it a little bit deeper, a little bit wider, or could we do 2 microphones instead of 1? That's the end that really, it's enjoyable to me, knowing that I am taking my product and customizing it, catering it to a specific need for a specific situation. The digital pulpit is named The Way Cool, or the second version is The Way Super Cool. I had no idea what to name it, and people kept saying, that's way cool, or oh, that's so cool. So it's The Way Super Cool Digital Podium. I have the blessed opportunity to have a shop on my property and think that this is just little stuff. It's blowing up. It's beyond my imagination as it's going to. Now we've got cruise lines, former presidents have stood behind my product. There's a few universities. It's tumbling. So like I said, I'm a simple man. I work with wood, electronics, digital, computers, all of that stuff isn't my area. Which that's kind of what's so unique about this product is that it's quote unquote high tech. Once it gets out of my hands into the customer's hands, the options are absolutely limitless. It's whatever can be designed graphically can be put up onto this monitor. It can be changed with the click of a button from a control panel. It is way super cool because the options are limitless. It's down to what can someone create, what can someone imagine, what can be put on that screen. What does the future look like is a great question. If it was up to me, I would keep it small because I'm comfortable. Apparently that's not happening. As the Lord leads, I'm looking to expand. It's beyond me. It's seeing what the Lord has for us. It's being willing to walk through doors and take opportunities that are opened in front of us.